Look at this video of the sea. Can you see the way the water is moving? These are called waves. Waves are made when the wind blows over the top of the water. Wow, look at the way they crash into the rocks. Shall we have a go at making our own waves at home? To do this, you just need an empty bottle, and to make it like the ocean, we need some salt, because the seawater is very salty. Now you need to fill your water bottle up halfway with water like this. Then take the cap off and ask a grown-up to help you put the salt into the water. Sprinkle a little bit in. You can see it at the bottom. Then put the cap back on and give it a good shake to mix it all together. Now we've got some salty water just like the sea. I think we're ready to start making some waves now. Hold your bottle sideways and look at the way the water moves. Is it going up and down? What happens if we shake the bottle a little bit? Can you see how the waves are getting bigger and bigger? You can try this at home, just make sure the lid of the bottle is on. Have a go and see how big you can make your waves.